Hey everybody, I'm on Route 66 and I'm in Amboy and I'm planning to hike a volcano which is called Amboy Crater. There's a picture of the post office right there.
Hey everybody, I'm at Amboy Crater and I'm going to start my hike. I can't ride my bike on the trail, I have to foot it, so it's going to take me a little bit longer to get up there. So let's go. It's the middle of the day, I got here late, and there seems to be a lot of caterpillars on the ground around here. So let's go. This is the beginning of the hike. Amboy Crater. The circumference is a mile, I believe. So that's actually it's a volcano, but a crater also. And I'll have to walk around to the back to go up it. It's where the lava flow came down off that volcano. So, yep. It may not look steep, like I'm hitting a wall, that I'm gonna have to climb this wall. Do these little switchbacks.
I had a lot of plans for this hike. I wanted to ride my bike part of the way. There are no mechanisms allowed on the trail. There were some rangers there. There's no drone allowed. If you attempt to fly a drone, you will get a message coming across your screen saying that if you do fly your drone, be prepared to suffer the consequences. That actually came across my display because I did try to attempt to get a couple of shots of the crater from up on top because you really can't gauge the size of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to reference another video, somebody else's video, and they did a fabulous job of taking pictures with a drone of this crater, and it is awesome. I do recommend you guys check it out. He did a really good job. Looking down, I mean, that is very far away, really it is. And you really can't tell the distance and the height of this crater. It is very much like stepping back in time when you look at the landscape in this area. I was truly amazed by it. I took a lot of pictures, and it might they might seem all the same, but it was truly amazing to hike this volcano. Okay, a little bit about Amboy Crater. In hiking it, you're gonna need, a good amount of water. And I would say you're gonna hike probably 4 miles, 5 miles. They say 3, but probably more like 4. This is a cinder cone, and you're gonna want to wear some really good shoes. If you're wearing some tennis shoes or flip flops, it's gonna go right through your shoe. You're gonna feel it. And so when you're hiking this, don't forget that you're also climbing up. It's pretty steep once you get to the cinder cone. It's pretty steep. So just fair warning. Yeah. Another interesting thing was, of course, there's been many butterflies, but there are a lot of caterpillars also and lizards. But there are still a lot of caterpillars, which I found very interesting. And so I'm going to add the link to the other guy's video of Amber Crater. I'm going to put it up right here. So check it out. It's pretty cool.